Alright, so in this video we are going to learn how to fold our plates that we'll be using for the three-dimensional color wheel. And we're going to use a blank plate to begin with because, we may have to fold a couple of times and we want to learn how to do it correctly. And so first thing you're going to do is you are going to fold the plate in half. You want to make sure that you line up the edges as best you can. The other thing is when you're folding this, really make sure that this is a tight fold, that this edge is really tight. And if you've got a fingernail, you can run your fingernail along the edge. You can even take a pencil and run it along the edge. But again, just make sure that's really a tight fold. Okay, so then we're going to take this corner and fold it to this corner. And again, we're lining up the edges as close as we possibly can. And you can see I'm really making sure those folds are tight. I like to go over them over and over. Okay, so that's step number 2. Step number 3 is you're going to open it up and we're going to take this half of the plate and fold it along the fold that we just made. So in other words, we're going to take our finger, hold it down while we take this half of the plate and line it up on this fold line right here. So fold it down, tight creases. Same thing with this one. I'm going to take and fold it down. Okay, so basically it would open up like this. All right, so when you get to this point, we are going to open it all the way back up. And what we just did is we made 8 equal sections. And that's just kind of a trivia. You don't really have to know that other than to know that you did it right. So we're going to go ahead and fold this together, and I'm going to hold it like this to put a paper clip right in the middle where that fold is, right there. Okay? Now, I'm going to take this, the left side, and I'm going to open it up, and I've got a fold line here and a fold line here. So if I take my fingers and put them like this and kind of open it up, it makes like a mouth here, okay? So I'm going to open it up and I'm going to fold. I'm going to crease that fold, and then I'm come over to the other side and do the same thing. And again, I'm going to put my finger on the fold here, my finger on the fold here, open it up, got the mouth again, crease it. All right, and so kind of looks like a bow tie right now. Right? So with this is 1/4 of your color wheel. And that is the beginning stages of how do you make it when you get them all painted. But we'll get them painted and then we'll start folding all 4 of them like this and then we'll assemble.